Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and welcome back to our 18th episode of my reaction video to the series How to Spot a Red Flag. And nagbabasa kasi ako ng mga comments nyo dito sa YouTube. And hindi naman siya madami, pero may napansin ako, may na-capture kasi ako na comment na saying, hindi naman nakikita yung video, di daw niya napapanood ng maayos yung series with my reaction video. And based on my title na din kasi, it's my reaction video. And as much as possible, iniiwasan kong ma-copyright claim tayo since pinapalabas na sa Free TV ang How to Spot a Red Flag. And obviously, hindi ko siya masyadong kinakat dito. And ang point ko dito is yung reaction ko. My face, reacting on the video, not the video reacting on me. 'Di ba? Parang ganun yun. Pero, ayun, hindi ko naman siya masisi. And, thank you kasi sinabi mo yun. Para ma-clear out ko din na itong purpose ng video ko is for entertainment. Kung na-entertain ka sa mga reaction ko. And not you watching the video itself. Kasi parang libre to sa view and you just have to sign up, log in, and voila, you can watch it for free. And yung iba naman kaya nagbabayad kasi gusto nilang mauna dun sa mga episodes. And me, I'm using a free subscription on the series How to Spot a Red Flag. And also, pinapalabas na siya sa Free TV. Wait, ano pong date ngayon? Papalabas na siya today, January 27 sa Free TV, 9:30 p.m. sa A to Z, Kapamilya Channel and TV5, ang How to Spot a Red Flag. So, ayun, kung ayaw mo panoorin tong vlog ko, pwede ka na dun manood. So, ayun lang guys, let's start na reacting this episode in 3, 2, 1.
Kita ng necklace mo, alam mo yun?
Maxi, the friend.
Nakapatrusit ako nung nag-change yung mood niya from good morning to good night. Ano ba yung scroll mo dyan? May sale ba?
Wala, sira. Naghahanap ako ng rarakita para mapabilis yung ipon ko sa Ayat Flex 2.0.
Ha? Okay naman mga pay natin dito Plus may mga tip pa sa mga deliveries.
Oo nga, bestie. Kaso, hindi na rin kasi ako komportable sa working environment dito eh. Lalo na di ba nag-promise ako kay Nami, pati ka napapanalala yun, break dynamic 2 na yun.
Diba?
Kaso,
Umamagad sila. Ano naman masama doon? Umiwas ka naman talaga. So,
Sila lang
hindi
naman
mo
kasing
sinusulit
lumalapit
dito
eh.
at Mommy V. Bisyo na ba ngayong maging maganda kahit paminsan-minsan lang?
basta ako focus ako sa goal ko.
Pwedeng makilunch sa inyo?
Yes sir. Tapos na rin po kami kumain.
Doesn't seem like it.
Sir, di ba po napag-usapan na po natin to?
Ang kulit kasi.
What are you talking about? I'm just about to have lunch.
Kahit na.
Hindi naman po kasi kayo nakikipag-lunch sa mga staff niyo, sir. Sige po, back to work na po kami. Tara, Maxi.
Gutom pa si Maxi.
Excuse me po, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
We need to talk.
Oh, dun sa previous one, di ba? Yung pinag-anuhan niya nung investment. Siya pala yung bumibili.
Bakit ka nakipag-deal kay Jackie Bartolome? Sino?
Ito yung hindi kasi nag-search eh. So may chance mamaya mabenta pa yung ano
I don't
nila.
know her. She is a board member of the International Coffee Cooperative, the same company that bought the research. I've never met that person, Dad. Who is she?
Siya ang namimili ng mga properties dito.
Grabe.
Siya ang nakatayo
Ang
mga nagsarap
intense.
properties
Alam mo yung...
Ayak. And she is also linked to several companies and one of them is International Coffee Cooperative.
Hindi ko alam, Dad.
Ah!
You should have done your due diligence.
Mamaya ginagamit pa niya ang research that our company provided para i-force ang closure ng mga kababayan natin because she knows the business opportunities in our area.
Alam niyo yung litid ni Christian Vasquez. Galit na galit. Pero wala kasing pinipili itong...
Naapektuhan ng babaeng to. Now, if you were involved in the closure of these businesses, then sorry is not enough.
That I swear, I did not have any business dealings with that person.
The board will not take this lightly. So you better pray hard that that woman is not involved in shady dealings, because if she is, you will be removed from the board.
Patay
Kaya
kang
ngayon
bata
pa lang,
ka.
I want you to write a formal explanation that you were not aware of her involvement with the company that paid you for their research. Do you understand?
Di pa nga siya nakakabawi kay Cha. Ayan agad.
And do it now.
Pahiya pa siya. Oh, pumuporma na siya tapos...
Prove him wrong. Ang best way para pakita na mali siya is to show him na your best is more than enough. Naniniwala akong may best bang tingin mong best mo.
Well, di naman talaga siya aware, so... More like required daw, pero ang liwanag na ng mukha ko. Perfectly imperfect. Bakit kaya ganito yung title? Okay. Ang manliligaw. Ay!
Ano ba? Sorry po. Anong ginagawa mo rito? Nagdala lang po ako ng lunch para sa inyo ni Miss Vivian. Kumain na ako. Si Miss Vivian po kaya? Nagtuturo saka kumain na rin yun. Sige po. Ano ba yan?
Iwan ka.
And cake. Gusto niyo, iwan ko na lang yung dessert dito. Sige, iwan mo na. Batsi ka na. Pati po. Salamat. Sige na. Sarap po yan. Naghahanap po ba kayo ng mga nare-rental space?
Naupo ka pa eh. Hindi ba naintindihan yung ibig sabihin ng batse? Ibig sabihin ng good
Alis ka na.
chupi.
Pasensya na po. Last na po, sir. Baka kasi makakatulong eh. Yung prices po kasi medyo tumaas yung mga rental spaces eh.
Alam ko, tinanong na namin yan. Bababa rin yan tapos ng peak season.
Why don't you try medyo malayo sa tourist area? Mas mura pa.
Unang-una, malayo. Walang turista. E di lugi rin kami.
Sir, masarap po yung kape nyo.
Kahit gano'ng kalayo.
They're willing to go far and wide.
True.
Great experience in
Totoo to.
hospitality, and they will pay for that. Dadayuhan po kayo. Promise.
May point.
Yun lang po. Salamat. Ito na po yung pagkain. Enjoy your lunch. Ingat po.
May point yung sinabi ni Matt. Kasi in reality talaga, kahit gano'ng kalayo yung lugar nyo, and if masarap talaga yung, or maganda talaga yung product na pinoproduce nyo, meron talaga napupunta at pupunta sa inyo.
Konting repaint lang yan, sir. Under pa yan.
Kano kaya binibenta yan, sir?
I didn't ask for this.
Tip ko na, sir.
Ano din tong si red flag din tong si Cha eh. Pinapalayo niya pero concerned siya. Kasi di ba nakagalitan ng tatay?
JR. Puto, alala mo ba? Yung lagi mong kachat dati tungkol sa dad mo.
You must think that I'm such a loser, no?
Bakit naman?
Naloko na naman yata ako, Chap.
Kaya nagalit si Sir Leandro. Pareho lang tayo, di ba? Mga anak na nagkakamali. Nag-disappoint yung parents. ba? Kaya anong nakakaya dun?
I just wanted him to be proud of me. That's why nakipag-deal ako with this Jackie person. I didn't know na shady yung company niya. And now I have to make this report proving na wala akong alam sa mga deals niya.
Just make sure that she's not in any illegal activities, lalo na alam na natin that she's actually involved in our company.
Yes, ma'am. Update ko po kayo agad.
Okay, so I'll be hearing from you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Hi.
What was that all about?
A private investigator. Diba, gusto ni LBS na malaman kung sino yung taong bumibili ng mga properties kung saan nandun yung mga coffee shops na nagsara. So we hired him, and now we know it's a woman. Some Jackie Bartolome.
And? What's the connection to Legacy?
JR's R&D expense report.
JR.
Yes.
Nice.
So there were questions about it. We asked JR and he said that he funded a research project that he sold to International Coffee Cooperative.
Well, I'm sure ginawa mo lang yan para sa dad mo. Pati alam ko kung gaano ka-importante sa'yo yung approval ni Sir Leandro.
I'll need this. I'll never be perfect in his eyes. Or yours.
Yung sayaw niya.
May talent dito, ah. Kapagod kaya?
Kung may work pa ako after this,
Exage, ikaw kaya tagapagmana. Dali, patingin, tapos ka na? I love you. Break ko naman.
Ha, 'di ba? Akala natin yung dalawa lang yung red flag, pero we're in fact red flag din talaga si Cha.
Of course. It doesn't look good na may record si JR ng dealings with them. So we want to ensure that this person isn't involved in any illegal practices. Especially that the Legacy Cafe's anniversary is coming up. We can't have a scandal.
yeah, but ma, you know JR. He probably doesn't even know who this girl is. No, I'm gonna call LVS and I'm gonna explain everything to him.
Leave LVS out of this for now. This is too much for him.
It's too much for JR too.
Hmm.
I have to go.
Saan ka pupunta?
Check on JR.
Son, you're probably the last person he would want help from now.
No matter what issue I have with him or with Cha, he's my brother. What
Hmm.
happened? He needs me,
Aww.
whether he likes it or not.
Grabe yung dedication ni Matt.
How was it?
Maganda. Sincere, tsaka truthful. I'm sure pag nabasa yan ni Sir Leandro, maintindihan ka niya. At marirealize
Wait,
na
nasa-
nalaman.
Hmm.
Do you think I'm innocent?
I think pareho tayong mabilis magtiwala. Kaya tayo sumasabi.
Well, except, magkaiba tayo ng parents. Yours are forgiving. Mine, not so much. Ikaw, Cha,
Grabe yung bundong hininga
have
ko
you
eh.
forgiven me?
Ooh. Have you forgiven me?
Pwede rin akong gumawa ng explanation letter if you want.
Alam ko na kung ba't niya ako kinatfish ni Matt. Sobrang close yung kasi.
But haven't you forgiven me?
Alam mo, nung nascam ako dati, natakot akong sabihin sa magulang ko. Pero, nung nagawa ko na, pinagalitan nila ako. Pero after After nun, niyakap lang nila ako. Tapos sabi nila, magtutulungan daw namin ipunin yung nawala.
Anong connect?
Kung sila nga, nagawa nila akong patawarin. Ba't ko naman ipagdadamot yung forgiveness sa ibang tao, diba?
True. Sino tayo para hindi magpatawad? Kahit gano'n katigas yung puso mo. At the end of the day, parang mayroon pa rin 0.1%, 0.1% na magpapatawad dun sa tao na yun. 'Di ba? Sure. Sure.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay. It's okay. I understand. I should just be happy na pinatawad mo na ako. I don't need to rush.
Sir, kasi
Bawal mo na sumagot.
Naiinis na ako. Bakit ganito?
Pwede na.
Parang ang red flag talaga si Cha.
okay.
Mali lang yung spelling. Ikaw malinaw. Yes,
Ako'y nasasaktan para kay Matt.
Yeah, autocorrect. Yes, man. Matt, may kailangan ka? I'm here to help. So nakarating na sa'yo. Bro, this is serious. I know. And I've got it covered. I don't need your help.
Tea. Kuha ko ng more tea and more coffee.
Wag na. Alis na rin tong si Matt. Actually, I will be staying. So, if you don't
Aww, ang cute ni Matt.
mind, please.
I want a friend like Matt. Or jowa. Charot lang. Ang arte ng vlog na to. Huy! Ang dami kong energy. Unlike dun sa mga previous na wala akong sinasabi.
Investigator asked him to dig deeper on that Jackie Bartolome.
Feeling ko naman kasi harmless tong si Jackie Bartolome.
Kausap mo na ba si JR?
Sabi niya, hindi daw niya kilala yung Jackie Bartolome at hindi daw yun ang kadil niya sa kumpanya.
O yun naman pala eh. Baka naman kaning businesswoman lang talaga yung Jackie na yun. Sana hanggang doon na lang yun.
I'm just worried that he's getting to a mess that he cannot fix on his own.
Leandro, mabait si JR. If he says he doesn't know anything about that Jackie, then we have to believe him before we judge him. When all this is over, siguradong mapapatunayan natin na inosente si JR.
True.
Ang importante, alam niya naniniwala ka sa kanya.
That's the important thing.
Bye.
Kailangan pagkatiwalaan mo yung anak mo kahit alam mo yun, meron pa rin chances of not trusting your child.
Again, believe it or not, bro, I am here to help you. To help me? Or to embarrass me in front of Chap? We need to check all your invoices, your contracts, lahat ng meetings mo na ginawa mo with International Coffee Cooperative. Walang sinabi si Dad about that. Your explanation letter may be enough for the board, but not for the police. Wala naman police na involved ah. Nag-iingat lang si LVS. Bro, I don't need you to rescue me, okay? Cha's already helping me. Bro, this is not about Cha. Sabi mo eh. Bro, this is not the time namang asar. Do you not realize how serious this is? At seryoso din ako when I said I don't need your help. Ba't mo kasi pinagsisiksikan yung sarili mo sa amin ni Cha?
Ha? Walang kayo.
Walang kayo ni Cha. Eh di lumabas silang totoo. Andito ka lang para istorbohin kaming dalawa. I didn't even know she was helping you. Seryoso. Selos ka ba?
What the? Grabe kakitid ang utak nito.
Kaya mas mabuti pang umalis ka na. Bro, pero hindi siya ang pinuntahan ko dito. Ikaw. You're not welcome here, bro. I'm not leaving. Hindi ako aalis hanggat may mahanap pa silang butas sa'yo. Bro, no matter what you say, pamilya kita. Kahit magkaroon
We're not family.
Uy! Teka. Ano ba kayo? Bakit ba kayo nag-aaway?
Ay, magpatulong ng isa na patas ng pride. Ha?
Just wanna help.
Sabi ko nga, ayoko, di ba?
Intense naman. Bakit?
Because
Because?
fine.
Oh, di ba? Mas maganda talaga pag magkakasundo tayo. Malama ka, ikaw rin. Hindi na.
Nakakaloka tong dalawang to.
Bakit?
Siya to, yung scammer namin. Siya to.
OMG.
Siya to yung whistleblower na nakulong si Renato Reyes. Oh, di ba?
Hindi ko maalala siya.
Siya yun.
Teka lang. Ano kailangan niya kay Jackie Bartolome? Magkasama sila
Ang sabi niya kasi, nasa legacy daw yung scammer. Siya nga yun, si Renato
Pero
Reyes.
walang nakita sa legacy eh.
Baka may pinagtatakpan siya.
So you're saying there's a chance na magkasabwat sila sa crypto scam ninyo?
Hindi ko alam, pero ba't sila magkasama?
For the second time, naloko na naman si JR nung same person.
Ang sabi ni Dad, files lang yan ng private investigator.
Tumapit tayo sa pulis.
I'll help you.
No. I mean, Cha, if you
May
say,
tinatago si JR. Like,
malalaman ni Dad na nakasama ko sa scam. And as of now, galit pa rin siya sa akin.
Bro, I'm sure he will understand. Pag nalaman niya na biktima ka rin, you and Chad deserve justice.
Okay lang sana kung ako lang eh. Pero, madadamay si Cha. Pero, if ganito sila mag-operate, delikado to. Madadamay si Cha, pati yung parents niya. Baka madamay pa.
I'll protect her.
that's it. I'll protect her. Uy! Easy as peasy. Haba ng hair mo, Cha. Maria Zarina Teresa. And that's the end of my reaction video for episode 80. And grabe, pa-intense ng pa-intense. At ramdam nyo na ba yung gigil ko kay JR? Kasi hindi na ako natutuwa sa kanya. Nung una nakakita na ako sa kanya, pero ngayon hindi na. And ayun, also thank you to all the viewers na napapanood yung videos ko. And okay lang kahit i-view nyo lang ganun or something. And thank you sa mga nagko-comment. Shout out sa inyo. I've seen a few comments and paulit-ulit sila. Nakikita ko sila madalas sa mga videos ko. Thank you po. And ayun, paki-follow po ako sa new FB page ko, Ina Graciela. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!